Hello YouTubers! So here is our 139th design of the year. This is from Adventure Time. This is Finn's sword, Demon Blood sword. This just came off the prusa. Looks pretty cool. I had some stringing issues in there. Yeah, a lot actually in there. It was just too detailed around there. I guess I made it too small. I don't know. Alright, let's get this cleaned up, painted up, get this video up yet tonight. This will be the first one 9 weeks ahead. Alright, all filler primered up. Supports off. Alright, sand it up, paint it, get this video posted. That's a pretty cool little sword. Alright, there we go. All done up. Finn's sword from the cartoon Adventure Time. Come out pretty good. I mean, yeah, it has issues, but doesn't everything? All in all, I like the design. Alright, kids used to watch that cartoon all the time. Alright, if you like the design, you like the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless.